At Excel International, we are a leading manufacturer and distributor of high-quality medical devices, trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide. For over 40 years, our commitment to quality has built a strong reputation and proven history of delivering reliable products that meet the needs of our partners. We earn trust by consistently honoring our promises and investing in the success of long-term partnerships. Our extensive product portfolio includes a full range of registered medical devices, such as syringes, needles, and IV administration sets. We serve diverse healthcare segments, including blood collection and infusion, general health, dental, pharmaceutical, surgery, and more. Operating in 37 countries, we meet global and regional certification standards, reflecting our dedication to quality, compliance, and market-specific needs. Contact us today to explore partnership opportunities. You can also follow Excel's social media platforms to stay up to date with all of our public communications.